On its head, it carries a fishing rod. A modified dorsal fin, baited with a lure, easily mistaken for a shrimp. But when the fish stop biting, it's time to pack the rod away and move on. Rather than swim, frogfish walk. Its fins have, in effect, become feet. It may not look pretty, but what appears to be coral living on its skin is actually camouflage. Jigging the rod sends out pressure waves to attract the attention of possible prey. These dragonets are certainly interested. Almost there. Hook, line, and sinker.